Todadarni sir, is the art director. He said, in a film like this, now that you mentioned that where the focus is on the lead character, like somebody as big a star as Chiranjeevi garu, how much freedom do you have to work things around that? Because no matter what they do what you do in the background, people are still going to focus on
entirely on
that lead
Chiranjeevi
character.
Garu, I mean, Tarani Garu, it was a wonderful collaboration with him because he's a master in perfection and executing. Especially this old age home, he did a very good work. We were discussing the color palette and how it should look. Once you say like this, he'll do double the thing. So I got a lot of help from him in that aspect.
Right.
The background is set. Then when a scene comes, automatically hero is going to be focused. But in this movie, even this movie, you can find the realistic thing in that old age home. And when we wanted a colorful set, we Ammudu Kummudu and all.
Yeah, right. I'm going to talk about that song little later.
Sure.
But I was talking to Sushmita Konidala recently about styling for Chiranjeevi garu, and she said something very interesting that both Charan and her, they didn't want Chiranjeevi garu to look too young. So everything was done accordingly to make him look trendy,
Yeah.
So was that your intention as well, like not to make him too young?
No, I wouldn't say that. The script was main thing. So within the parameters, we are trying to make him look young.
Right.
See, suddenly you can't make him like a 20 years.
Yeah. He's 62, no? Who would
62.
believe that?
But then he's looking good.
Yeah.
Made him look much more better in this movie and very young. I was concentrating on look. I wouldn't say the more younger you make, he will look good only, right? His fans will go mad. They'll love him.
Right. Now, we're going to talk about that song, Ammudu,
Yeah.
Let's Do Kummudu. Unbelievable energy, and I understand that even you would have felt that while shooting that song in particular.
Yes.
So what was that experience like, sir?
See, this was in the fag end of the movie, and I had a lot of freedom also.
Okay. Now that you finished the
thing. And if you take this movie, it happens in a village with full of these farmers. There I can't glamorize.
Yeah.
Again, old age home, I can't do much glamour. The script result does not happen in one, one soft opera where we shown villain. It's happening in this kind of place.
Right.
So within the space, showing him younger was one issue.
Right.
Whereas when it came to Ammudu or Mimi song and all, I was trying to freak out. Though I was shooting in a faster pace,
Right.
I had a scheme in mind.
Okay.
I was thinking I need to make him look nice in this song. I was challenging. I was telling Vidya and Sushmita, see, this song, sir, is going to look like that. Fans are going to go mad.
Right.
So I tried to achieve it with a lot of nice soft box and wrapping around with beautiful light, making look fine. And he dances. His energy is unbelievable. He dances. He can challenge any 20, 30-year-old kid.
True.
With what an energy.
Right.
Amazing. Chiranjeevi, hats off to Chiranjeevi, sir.
Right. The other song, Ratalu, also, that was in the middle of the shoot, right? Like compared to the other.
No, so song I had more freedom in songs.
Okay.
I mean, that doesn't mean I didn't have freedom in, because in scenes were like tightly packed and we need to go with full of crowd, and I couldn't glamorize him more.
Right.
Song Ratal also, his skin tone looked very glossy and shiny in the song.
Right.
Took more care for that look
Right.
in Ratalu. Hi, I'm Ratnavelu, cinematographer. Watch me on iDream Media.